Dear customers, thank you very much for attending a new online video training. Today we are going to perform a protocol for anti-cellulite and draining effect. But first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Leticia Pardo and I'm the Technical Consultant and Training Manager in Skin Clinic. And today with me is my colleague Silvia.
Hello.
But before we start with the proper protocol, we are going to sanitize our hands with our sanitizing gel. And just let you know that all the tools that you are going to watch in this video, as well as all the working area, has already been sanitized as the protocol says. But before we start, we have, with the proper protocol, we have to analyze a little bit of the cellulitis and the kind of skin that we have. In our model, we have got more edematous cellulite, and we will see later on what kind of products we are going to use. But first, we have to always prepare the skin, and for that purpose, we are going to start with the cleansing routine. We are going to use our degreasing solution, but to give more experience to our client and to apply it easier, we are going to introduce the degreasing solution in our spray. As you are going to watch now, Silvia is doing, she is spraying all over the area. Why we are using this product? Mainly because it contains glycolic acid 5%, contains as well aloe vera and amamelis. With this product, with this cosmetic, we are going to be able to exfoliate and clean all the area. We are going to be able to reduce and eliminate all the excess of sebum, dead cells, etc. It's very easy, as Silvia is doing now. You spread all over the area with a little bit of a gentle massage. And we have to remove with a wet wipe, as Silvia is doing now. Remember that with our degreasing solution, you can either use it for facial protocols or for body care protocols, as we are doing now. Our second step will be a microexfoliation process, and for that purpose, we are going to do a mixture in equal parts of our Espresso Therapy Gel and Gel Scrub Cellulite. We are going to add 10 milliliters of Espresso Therapy Gel plus 10 milliliters of our Silica Gel Scrub. As you are watching, Silvia has already the mixture in the bowl, and we are going to apply and we are going to perform a gentle massage. With this scrub, we are producing a double effect. On one side, we are removing all the dead cells that we might have on the surface of the skin, and at the same time, we are enhancing all the absorption of the different active ingredients of our Espresso Therapy Gel. As you already know, and as the name says, is for Espresso Therapy device and technology, and it's very good to apply in that kind of protocols because we are going to enhance all the draining effects and to eliminate all the fluid retention. In that case, as we are performing an anti-cellulite and draining protocol, we are going to add this Espresso Therapy Gel. Another option that you have, and is worldwide used by the professionals, is a mixture of our Silica Gel Scrub plus neutral cream massage, in case you would like to give that performing and experience to your client in your spa or in your cabin. If you would like to enhance all the oxygenation of the skin, another good option will be to add Gel Scrub Cellulite plus hot and cold massage cream. That will give you another option for your cabin and your spa. To enhance the absorption of all the active ingredients, we are going to cover the area with a plastic. We are performing in that way to enhance all the results. Remember that here in this video you are watching both steps, the cleansing and the preparation of the skin plus the proper treatment anti-cellulite and for draining effects. This is due to the fact that this is a video. If you would like to perform and separate both protocols and both those steps, it's absolutely fine. In fact, the good idea is to develop 1 week the cleansing and the preparation of the skin, and the next week to provide the proper protocol with all the active ingredients. We have left all the area covered by this plastic for around 5 minutes, and now, after the time is gone, we are going to remove all the scrub and the mixture with our Espresso Therapy Gel. Now it's time to add the proper active ingredients, and for that purpose we have selected 2 cosmetics. One is 1 ampoule, the Ampelopsin cocktail. We are going to be added to 1 ampoule of routine coumarin. Why we have chosen these two cosmetics? Mainly because with the ampeloxine cocktail, thanks to that caffeine and carnitine, we are going to be able to degrade all that localized fats, and with the routine coumarin, we are going to enhance all that draining effect. That means we are going to be able to enhance that fluid retention that we have, we are going to make sure we eliminate it. In our video, you are going to watch that we are going to use our microneedle device. But as you already know, we have got different anti-cellulite products, either texture gel, cream, solution, or lotion, and you can use whatever you consider depending on your device. Another very good option, in case we have got a solid cellulite, is a mixture of artichoke extract plus the carnitine. As you already know, with the carnitine we are going to be able to enhance all the localized fats because it's going to help to transport all the long-chain fats to the mitochondria for oxidation and degradation, and it turns to energy. The other option, the artichoke extract, is going to help us to enhance that fluid retention and the draining effect. As you see, we have got different options depending on your type of cellulitis. This is more for edematous cellulitis plus this draining effect, and this is more for solid cellulitis. Now I'm going to explain all the products that we have got in our portfolio to be used with apparatology. First, we have got our anti-cellulite range. We have got, more or less, they have the same formula containing caffeine, carnitine, ruscus, and fucus, and the only main difference is the texture. We have got lotion, solution, gel texture, or cream texture, and we will use one or the other depending on our device. One of the products is our lotion, anti-cellulite lotion, ideal to be used with vacuum therapy. The other one is our solution, anti-cellulite solution, perfect to be used with electroporation or virtual mesotherapy. The other one is the gel texture, ideal for ultrasounds or shock waves. And the last one is our cream that is suitable for all technologies that requires a cream texture, and as well as if we would like to perform a manual massage. Remember that in our portfolio also we have cavitation products such as Cavifox and Cavifox Plus, containing the same active ingredients but in the more or less the same amount, in 2.5%, and the Cavifox Plus contains double amount. As well, if you would like to provide the cryolipolysis technology in your spa or in your cabin, remember that we have got our Cryolip gel plus the gauzes, or if you would like to have the membrane already impregnated with the gel, you have got Cryolip membrane. And of course, remember that we have as well our Espresso Therapy Gel or our thermal wraps. After the microneedle, of course, we have disinfected all the area treated, and now we are going to apply our anti-cellulite cream. As you can watch in the video, now Silvia is having in her hands. Why we have selected this? Because we are going to perform a gentle massage. It's up to you if you would like to add any other apparatology or device that you might consider in this step. And of course, always adapt your technology to the texture required. Now I'm going to explain all the cosmetics that we can recommend for home use. First of all, we have got our Cellulite. This is an anti-cellulite cream to be applied in the morning and at night. Thanks to the formula, we are going to be able to combat the localized fats in the morning and at night thanks to the Nocture Shape, Actigym, Sculptosane, and Rhodisterol active ingredients. At the same time, the texture is very sweet and the absorption is very fast. Another very good option that we have is our Active Plus Cellulite Cream to be applied as well in the morning and night. A little bit of difference with the Cellulite, Active Plus Cellulite contains as well active ingredients that is going to help us in case we have got fluid retention. Contains carnitine, caffeine that is going to degrade all that localized fat, and the ruscus and the fucus is going to enhance that elimination of the fluids. Now I'm going to explain another branch that you might do not know that we have in our portfolio, and it's called Ession. In Skin Clinic, we also manufacture food supplements. It's very important the commitment of our patients that when they come to the spa for a body treatment to have a lifestyle with a very good habits in terms of a weight control and exercise. To help them at home, we have got SC On with plenty of products that is going to help us in that weight control or with the detoxification processes. If you would like further information about this range, please let us know and we will give it to you. And this is our suggestion as a protocol for anti-cellulite and body care that you can obviously provide in your spa or in your business. I hope you enjoy it, and the most important thing is that you perform it in your premises. I would like to say thank you very much for joining us. And Sylvia?
Thank you very much. Bye.
Thank you. See you soon. Bye.